Chauncey Hutter Jr. here with Real Tax Business Success, helping you make more profit in your tax business, no matter if it's tax season or the off season. This particular topic is overcoming low price competition, how to overcome lowball tax business competitors. This is a really hot topic. Might ruffle some feathers here, so just bear with me. You may have to re-watch this video because I'm going to just say it what needs to be said. First of all, I don't want you to play the price game. I don't want you to play the cheapy tax service game. You need to change the rules, change the dynamics of how this game is played, and actually, if someone is begging you for a price or wanting you to be cheap in your services, tell them to go somewhere else. You don't want that client anyway, because they're not going to stick with you long term anyway. They're not a quality client. 10 to 20% of the market, people looking for a paid tax practitioner, are going to shop price. You might think it's more than that. It's not. 10 to 20% are shopping price. That means 80% are not basing their decision on a tax practitioner on price. 80%. Conversely, 80% of the tax professionals that I've talked to, and I've served and I've been in this business a long time, 80% of the tax professionals out there are catering to a price. They are lowballing their price. They're trying to be the best price, and they think that they have to be a low price to get business. You don't. So if 80% of the tax professionals out there are very sensitive about this group of just 10 to 20% of the marketplace that are price sensitive and are making decisions on price, then you have got to go after the other group. You be in the 20% of the tax professionals that are going to be in the high price going after the 80%. Don't you think the math works better on that? It does. You just got to know how to do it. I want to read a couple of questions and just answer some, because these are the most questions we got on this topic. So I pulled out 4 or 5 of these things, and I'm just going to answer them just specifically for everybody to hear. How do I handle price problems when clients want me to drop my price or drop my fees? Don't. Don't drop your fees. Don't drop your price. And if they hassle you on it, tell them to leave. That's my answer. Many of the phone calls I get from potential clients are pretty much focused on price. Clients are calling all tax preparers shopping price. I want the business, but I want to make a decent profit. Exactly. So you tell them to go look somewhere else. You're not in the cheap price business. You're in the value business, and don't concentrate on those folks. You got to change your marketing so you get less of those calls. How do I know what fees to charge and stay competitive, at the same time not undercharge for your services? You know, because you can easily find out. It's not hard to go find out what everybody's charging around town. But that's not even the issue. The issue is you're being too sensitive about what to charge. My guess is somebody asking this question is you're charging too less. You're too low. You need to be increasing your fees and increase them every year. Just keep going. Your customers, when you get enough pushback in about 3 or 4 years, you'll know from just talking to your own customer base. What's the best way to respond to an email inquiring about services when they want an email response about pricing? You don't give it. Don't even go down that road. You are the owner. The customer does not dictate how you price or how you give your price or anything. You're in charge. They're not. Tell them to go somewhere else. There's freedom in that. And you'd be surprised. Some of these guys that say, "Hey, this person's the only one that told me to go somewhere else. He's probably the really, really great tax service." This last question is, tax season is how I need to cut my prices to increase traffic. No, you don't need to cut your prices to increase traffic. You actually can raise your prices to increase traffic. There's too many of these questions here. The overall point is position your business differently so you're going after the 80% of the people in your city, in your market area that are not price sensitive. Only 10 to 20% are price sensitive, I promise. Go after the more profitable clients. They are the higher quality. That's who you build your business with long term. If you enjoyed this short nugget of information on how to maximize your success in the tax business, I've got 20 more videos just like it. You go to www.taxmarketing.com/free videos. Thank you very much.